Hello student, simplification of CFG part 2. Now part 1 I have already explained in the previous lecture. By simplification of context free grammar we means following. First, variable or symbols not driving terminal string. Variable or symbol not driving terminal string. More detail can be get on page number 202 or 203. Second, null productions. I will explain this, and unit productions of the form A to B, B to C or C to D. This type of production, a variable is replaced by another variable. Now for point 1 we have already discussed in the previous video, simplification of CSG part 1, that you can see also, that you can also refer. Now for the point number 2, making a simplification of context free grammar. What is a null production? A production of the form A to null, where A is a variable, is called a null production. How it is? Let's see example shortly. Example page number 209. The example is that for a CFG G we have V, sigma, P and S. Now what is P? P is already given. For making the language LG, we have the production S tends to AS, S tends to A, capital A, S tends to capital A, and A tends to null. Now first we will make the language for this. We will draw some strings. S tends to AS. Then for this S tends to A. Okay? S tends to A from this, and then A tends to null from this. A tends to null, and then A. This is our first word. S tends to AS. Again for this S we have taken this one production rule. S tends to A dot A. For this A, again A tends to null, so it will become another word or another string double A. S tends to AS, and then continuing this S tends to AAS, fit triple A like this. So it will making a sequence of a progressive sequence of A's. So it can be summarized as LG is equal to A, double A, triple A, like this. So A ki power n and greater than equal to 1. Now here I want to explain what is the null production in this. See the S tends to A and A tends to null implies S tends to null and A tends to null. So this A tends to null is a null production which is not required. How it is? Because it is possible to enumerate A tends to null production. Yes. Is it possible? Yes, it is possible. The new productions of LG are S tends to AS, S tends to A, and S tends to null. How it is? So S tends to AS, A dot null, A. S tends to, again we are making the string, S tends to AS, then double A, S tends to null, double A. And similarly S tends to AS, S tends to AAS, and triple A. So basically the point of argument is that for the productions which are the of type A tends to null, for the production which are type A tends to null, we have to eliminate those production while simplification of doing while doing simplification of the grammar. So this is called null production. In the next lecture I will explain the unit production.